evening everyone. My name is Kaveri Verma and today we have Dipesh Kataria and our topic is influencer. So how do influencer shape today's public digital world?
Influencers shape public opinion through mainly through the trust and personal connections they build with their followers. Unlike traditional celebrities, they share their daily lives, struggles, and experience openly, making people making people feel like they know them. And the sense of relatability gives them opinion, give their opinion a lot of weight. When an influencer talk about mental health, fitness, education, or environment, or even a new product, their followers are more likely to believe and adapt those views. Influencers also shape trends, where what people wear, or listen, eat, or support. A single post can make a brand go viral or turn a social issue in a mainstream conversation. Their power comes from the constant engagement and their way of algorithm who push their content to millions. In this way, influencers strongly shape modern public opinion.
Okay, and in what ways can influencer destroy or mislead the public opinion?
Okay, so while influencers can shape while influencers can shape opinions positively, they can also distort them. One major problem is misinformation. Many influencers speak confidently on topics like health, politics, skincare, and finance without expert knowledge. Their followers believe them, leading the wrong decisions. Another issue is unrealistic lifestyle. They often show perfect bodies, luxury travel, expensive products. Uh, they are usually staged or edited, but followers compare themselves and feel insecure. Paid promotions also distort opinion. Sometimes influencers promote products that they don't actually use, just for money, making their opinion biased. When promotions aren't disclosed, followers think that it is an honest recommendation, and it is deceptive.
Okay, and why do people trust more influencer than our traditional advertisement and all?
People trust influencers more because of the emotional connection they have. Traditional media is formal and distant, but influencers shape personal stories, families, moments, failure, and success. Their transparency builds trust. Another reason is accessibility. Followers can comment, ask questions, and even get replies. The interaction creates a feeling of friendship. Also, young audience spend more time on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok than watching television or reading newspaper. So influencers naturally become the primary source of information, and influencers appear more human, whereas traditional media is more often seen as biased or controlled.
Okay, and do influencers have a responsibility towards their audience?
Yes, influencers have a huge responsibility because their words and actions do influence millions of people. They are not just entertainers; they are they are opinion leaders. When they talk about mental health, diets, politics, and social issues, people follow their advice. With great reach comes great responsibility. They, they should recheck information, clearly disclose paid advertisements, promotions, and avoid promoting false products. And be aware of the impact they have on young followers. While influencers misuse their power, the consequences can be harmful. People may lose money, harm their health, or develop insecurities. Ethical influencers mean being honest, transparent, and being careful with what they promote.
And how can the public themselves be presented by influencers?
Mm, the public can protect